According to Western commentators, Belarus intends to negotiate a deal with Iran to construct Shahed drones in a renovated facility in its southeast Gomel region, which borders Ukraine just to the north of the Sea of Kiev reservoir on the Dnipro. In order to sign a memorandum of understanding and a strategy for bilateral military cooperation for 2023, Belarusian Defense Minister Lieutenant General Viktor Krenin traveled to Iran. He then met with Iranian Defense Minister Brigadier General Mohammad Reza Ashtiani. Ashtiani is in charge of negotiating military purchases and export sales of military hardware and supplies as Iran's Minister of Defense. ISW claims that during the meeting, Krenin and Ashtiani possibly talked about armament trade. Following news that Iran was attempting to convert a plant in Belarus' Gomel area into a Shahed drone factory, Belarus also tried to reach a deal with Iran on the production of Shahed drones there. These are not Belarus and Iran's first cooperative efforts to develop weapons. The head of military intelligence for Ukraine, Kirilo Budanov, revealed Belarus plans to manufacture shells for MLRS and barrel artillery in November 2022. Soon after that, at the end of November 2022, a delegation from Belarus traveled to Iran. The list of topics for discussion with the Iranians, according to Ukrainian intelligence, covered the entirety of the production cycle, from the technology of smelting steel for ammunition components to the marks attached to shells and containers used for their packaging. Then, in early May, the armed forces of Ukraine claimed that Iranian officials planned to move production to Belarus for use by Russia against Ukrainian targets in an effort to evade Western sanctions and pressure from other nations. In May, the Center for National Resistance of the AFU Special Operations Forces stated that Iranian engineers on a business trip had visited the Gomel factory in Belarus, where drones were already being retrofitted. According to the National Resistance Center, the corresponding development of events shows that Russia is continuing to exert control over Belarus' defense industry, and the establishment of a full-fledged Iranian drone manufacturing facility in Belarus would aid the Russian Federation in resolving the logistical issues associated with importing drones from Iran.